Ever wondered what virtual rowing is all about? Hi, it's Ami of EXR, and today I'll tell you all about the indoor rowing app that will revolutionize your fitness routine. EXR is the application that makes indoor rowing fun. Just connect your rowing machine and you're ready to explore 3D locations with rowers from all over the world. The app is for beginners and champions alike. Just anyone who wants to spend more time on their rowing machine. You can just row, train or race anytime to join online rowers on the virtual waters. Connect your rowing machine with a device of your choice and you're ready to row. Lots of setups are possible. EXR works with rowing machines of Concept 2, Water Rower, RP3 and just so many more. I'd say the bigger the screen, the bigger the fun. You can truly immerse yourself into your workout when using a big screen, like your tablet or smart TV. But EXR is also captivating on smartphones. With EXR, you get to live up to your fitness ambitions. Looking for guided workouts? Choose from over 100. Wanting to train towards a goal, like a better 2K time? Just follow Coach Hendrik's targeted training plans. Or are you looking for a bit of entertainment? Then you can join online events, beat challenges, and unlock achievements. To top it all off, you earn rewards for your efforts. While you row, you get to explore iconic hotspots like Boston's Charles River or Henley-on-Thames. No matter when you row, there are rowers of all fitness levels, ages and nationalities who keep you company and spur you on. Just check out EXR yourself and join the world's biggest virtual rowing community.